Today we're going to show you how to program remotes to a Liftaway roller door opener. We'll also be showing you how to erase the memory of any lost remotes. To erase any old remotes, press and hold the code button for approximately 10 seconds or until the display shows the letter C. Release your finger from the code button and now check to make sure all your existing remotes have been erased. Now to program remotes back into the opener, press and hold the code button until the red coding dot lights up and starts to flash slowly. Now press any button on the remote 2 times. On the second press, the coding light will flash quickly and then extinguish. This remote has now been programmed successfully. You can use the same method for up to 20 remotes programmed in at any one time. If you'd like to choose a different button on your remote control, simply follow the coding instructions and choose a different button location on the remote. So that's how you erase and reprogram remotes on your Liftaway roller door opener.
I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching.